Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel, and in this video we're gonna show you how to make a really amazing and cheesy pasta, and that too using a microwave, so that those who don't have oven at home can make it easily just using a microwave. Now let's begin. First, I'm gonna be using half-liter water and putting 300 grams of pasta in it. Next, we'll be adding some chicken stock. The chicken stock will give it good taste and also smell. I'll put on the flame and let it boil. As you can see that the pasta is boiling, and we have to keep boiling it until, as you can see here, that the water is completely evaporated. We use the correct amount of water so that we don't need to drain, because we don't have to drain this so that the flavor of the chicken stock remains. Now the pasta is ready and tender to use. I'll just turn off the flame. First, use half of the pasta as the bottom layer. Above that, put pizza sauce. Spread it evenly. Now above that, we'll be adding mozzarella cheese. And since it's the winter, to heat things up, we're gonna add some chili flakes. Next, we will be adding olives. And also oregano leaves. This is gonna give it a fresh aroma. After the oregano leaves, we're gonna put the rest of the pasta. And above that, we're gonna add the same layers as pizza sauce, mozzarella, olives, chili flakes, and oregano leaves. But in this one, you must remember that the cheese should be on the top, so that it holds all of the ingredients together. And we are putting it in for 5 minutes. We'll be back in 5 minutes. Okay, now it's time to open it. It smells really good. Oh, look at all that smoke. Now, let's just take that out. It looks really nice, and it only took 10 minutes to make. It is very delicious. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe. Hope you like it. Bye.